InfoAir World. Worldwide information.
Qasim Ali Shah is not a speaker but a doer. He followed his passions and proving himself as a successful entrepreneur, an inspiring academician, a best-selling author, a philanthropist and an influential trainer. Drawing from this vast experience in these fields and his extensive study, Qasim Ali Shah delivers an inspirational experience unlike any other. He has a rare ability to quickly develop a strong rapport with his audience and win their trust, which enables him to fully ignite their passion. He has a unique methodology of combining conventional wisdom and the latest research with real-life examples to offer simple and practical advice. This has won him huge respect from everyone, including hundreds of highest-placed private sector executives and top bureaucrats of the country he has trained. Most recently has been declared the best trainer by Punjab Judicial Academy. In recognition of his services, Government of Uzbekistan has nominated him as Brand Ambassador of Tourism. Qasim Ali Shah, the most reputable, versatile, dynamic, the #1 motivational speaker of Pakistan, started his journey as a teacher to become a mentor, motivational speaker, and life coach. His lectures are a permanent source of inspiration for his follower and masses at large. In a very short span of time, his motivational videos got viral on WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube, and people got to know his message. His lectures are relatable among masses due to his regional language, style, examples, above all his journey of strength and resilience. He has delivered thousands of inspirational seminars and sessions on various topics of self-help. His live audience, whom he has trained, is approximately 9 million. He has trained thousands of the judiciary, including civil and session judges, thousands of highest-placed private sectors, governmental institutes and departments, armed forces, social groups and NGOs, educational institutes, international and national tours. He has written hundreds of articles for several newspapers and 7 influential best-selling books. Hundreds of articles, blogs, and podcasts have been written on his works and achievements at national and international level. Mr. Shah is serving the nation through 3 YouTube channels: Qasim Ali Shah, Qasim Ali Shah Foundation, Infotivation channel. In 2010, the videos began to spread on social media, whereas in 2015, his videos go viral on WhatsApp groups, Facebook and YouTube. He has more than 2,000 online inspirational lectures with a 3.5 million subscribers on social media. With his vision to serve humanity at large, he delivers free-of-cost sessions on various topics all over the country. Through the light of knowledge and wisdom at large, sharing his conventional wisdom and latest research with real-life examples to offer simple and practical advice for all prisoners, senior citizens, youth, police, drug addicts, single parents, school leaders, women, physically challenged people, orphans, and minorities of Pakistan. He devoted himself truly for the lives of the people of our motherland with the light of knowledge and experience, using regional language to inspire maximum brains. He has served in governmental institutes, departments. He also served in educational institutes and corporate sectors. Shah has done live Ramadan transmission on A+, Noor-e-Ramzan, quite successfully with an addition of his unique style and wisdom. This transmission has gathered one of the greatest viewership. He has also done hundreds of multiple programs on various topics on 7 News. Guest speaker in PTV, Morning with Jugon, Sama TV, documentary on Qasim Ali Shah. FM program includes Manzil Ka Musafir, FM 98.6, guest speaker at FM 100, FM 101, FM 95. Recently, he is doing transmission on 92 News with Wasi Shah, the program name as Rahmat-e-Ramazan. Qasim Ali Shah Foundation is a non-profit organization in Pakistan. The foundation was established in April 2017 with a vision to encourage young skillful people and professionals by adding quality to their lives, encouraging them for change and positivity, to inculcate knowledge and appreciate the thought and ideas of learners, providing the quality work in various dimensions of creativity and development, arranging sessions for self-help, creating documentaries, recording successful stories, writing and publication department, professional development for schools and colleges, awareness for women, train the trainer, and self-discovery. Dedicated to creating positive change in the lives of people who want to explore and enhance their skillful learning through envisioning a happier and meaningful lifestyle. in the fields of self-actualization, leadership qualities, communication skills, wisdom through traveling, carrying learners to the path of training, field where they can flourish well to succeed. The purpose of this effort is to emerge the Shaheen and Renuma in ourselves that is waiting to be explored. Qasim Ali Shah has written many books, in which few of them are He has linked with social groups and NGOs. His major training areas are vast, but some of them are employees motivation, customer service management, stress management, time management, leadership, moral values. Shah has been to many countries and delivered lectures on diverse topics. Government of Uzbekistan has announced as brand ambassador of tourism to Mr. Qasim Ali Shah. Punjab Safe Cities Authority and University of Gujarat announced as brand ambassador to Mr. Qasim Ali Shah. Qasim Ali Shah is the star of Pakistan, who has illuminated a candle in the hearts of people, whose light is becoming associated with the guiding principles of living a life.
If you like this video, don't forget to like it, leave your comments, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Info Air World. This is a platform for you.